I have this Volkswagen Bug from the Dollar Tree. This is probably one of my favorite cutouts lately. And I'm going to start by painting it in our petal, which is this pale pink. I'm going to paint the entire body in the petal. And then I'm going to go in with some Wise Owl Black around the tire, the outer portion of the tire. And I'm going to do this on both sides. I'm just using a small art brush. Then I'm going to take a small dabber and take some Snow Owl and do the center of the tire on both sides. Obviously, you guys can get creative. You can paint this in any color you choose. I don't know why lately I've been kind of into the pink. I got these cutouts at Hobby Lobby. They came in a little wooden tray of the flowers and the butterfly, and I painted them in Snow Owl. I have this piece of wood from the Dollar Tree. It has the live edge, and I'm going to paint it in black. I found this card stock. I've had this for a while. You can usually get these at Michael's, and I'm going to take this striped piece and I'm going to cut out a portion so that I can glue it down in the openings of the window. I'm just going to use some hot glue. And so I don't have any issues with the paper, I'm going to take this black felt. You can get this right at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to cut out a portion so I can glue that along the back to cover the paper. Again, just using hot glue. I found these little daisies at Hobby Lobby. They were in all different sizes, and I'm going to put some polka dots on my bug here. I'm going to do everything but the wheel well. I'm going to do some lines on my wheel well just to add character to my project, and on my tires. I'm going to add 3 of the wooden flowers, kind of like a garland at the door, and then add my colorful daisies on top of that. I just wanted this to have a nice spring vibe. I'm going to stand the bug on my piece of wood here, and I'm going to take these small blocks that you can get from the Dollar Tree and glue them to the back by the tire. And this is just going to help my Beetle stand. Then I'm going to glue the butterfly, the little wooden butterfly, to that back hole. These were the original hanger holes. And I'm just taking a sticky half pearl for that front hole. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com for any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils. And don't forget our cutouts, chalkitupfancy.com.